kind of cage? A white one?
A what?
A white cage? So will they fly away? Can they fly?
No, you have to clip their wings.
Do you really?
You cut the feathers on their wings so they don't fly.
They can't fly?
They can fly. You cut the wings.
I don't want to do that.
You don't cut the wings off. You cut the feathers.
So they can't fly?
So they can't fly.
So they can't fly away from you?
Yes.
Really? They just hop around?
No.
I hear birds.
He's vibing up in that corner.
Look at the one on the ball.
Is that a parrot?
That's $600.
That is a fancy
You're pretty cool though.
pony.
You're pretty cool, but I bought an RC car for that same price. I think he chose me. He wants me.
So you're gonna pay $600 for this bird?
I mean, that looks like a Nate to me.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm gonna get this.
Oh Lord, what is that? No. Is that a, what is it?
That's a ball python.
No. No snakes. No. I hate snakes.
He looks cute though.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. He's $600, but hey,
No.
I'm willing to spend it.
No.
Break down so you can see it.
It's okay. I won't go in.
So that.
The nerve. This is happening, people.
I touched you. Come here. This one's skinny.
Huh?
This one's skinny.
Huh?
She's shaking.
Hey, you know, buddy.
Oh, this is so good. Does that feel good? Yeah. Does that feel good? Yeah.
I think you made a new friend.
Does that feel good? Right there. Do you hear him? Listen to him. Do it again.
I think that's your bird.
Hop over. Look at you go.
That's insane. I want it.
That's a parrot.
I want a tank just for it.
It's a what?
That's one boy.
That's one big boy.
No, it's a boa.
Oh, it's a what? Oh, it is boa.
That's
Why does this lizard look so mad down there?
This thing, dude.
that's not the move.
Is that a coincidence?
I don't know what's in there, but it's coiled up in that rock. What the heck, dude? Why is he just vibing? Look at this cricket just vibing. What is that? What is it?
Frog.
It's flat. Collin, it's
That's
flat.
an ugly looking frog, my guy.
Collin, it's flat. It looks.
Dude, that poor cricket.
He's just vibing.
He's getting sucked in.
He's like, no.
Say, what is that? It's flat. It looks like roadkill, dude.
Don't be scared of it.
I can't reach my finger in there.
If he reaches his beak around, all he wants to do is taste you.
I wonder how much he is. He's tasting.
He's tasting me.
She's angry. Here, come here.
Ow, it bit me.
Look how angry he is.
Oh my goodness.
He's angry.
He is angry.